like to tell you that our in Maharashtra there is no non-salary grant issuing since 20 years. So we are all revenue generation from our institute only.
Internal source.
Internal source, management source or our internal source. We are expending
salary grant. The government.
Only salary grant is in Maharashtra.
So that in every year, how much grant you are receiving from the government?
Actual salary. There
is no development grant.
No development grant.
This is only allocation internally.
Yeah. Internally. This is in audit statement. We will show you that audit statements of 5 years. Complete expenditure has done for this much of amount. Then regarding library, we are having the ILMS software. Membership is enriched. All small things are here mentioned here. We are having the 17,425 books and 40 journals in hard copy, and on in this lakhs of books are and journals are there. Next, annual expenditure.
How many books are there in your
17,425 in hard copies books, then 40 in journals. This is the latest figure.
College subscribe 16 national and 24 state level journals that you mentioned in your SSR.
Yeah, there are some 40. Total is 40. Annual expenditure on the purchase of books we are doing. This is amount in lakhs. Then next is expenditure on the maintenance of physical facilities and academic support facilities in lakhs. More than 11.49 lakhs we are.
How much amount spent in the last year for procurement of the library books?
Library books. Figure
Last year.
Just go to the previous pattern. Budget allocation. Actually, study infrastructure. And 15-16 was only 12 lakh. And just आगे बढ़ो. अभी expenditure आप दिखा रहे हो 21 lakh. How it happens?
This also including academic support. Academic support. We are doing academic expenditure. That one also included in this one. Next. Budget allocation and expenditure record. This is the actual budget allocation we are done, and expenditure we have already done excess than the budget allocation.
From where this deficit is made?
Expenditure we have management is contributing the maximum amount, and so we are doing that.
From where?
What is the ratio of your internal fund generation that is from charges from your students and contribution from your management?
Contribution from management. Because we are not actually charging fees from students. The government is giving.
At the time of admission, we will like to see the fee structure. And at the time of admission, apart from the tuition, you may be charging some building fund, some library fund, some other fund.
Sir.
Certainly. So from that source, how much you are collecting per year?
As government which is giving under scholarship students for the library or other small things, laboratories, then only fund is coming. Otherwise we are not charging.
No, from students.
No, we are not taking cash from students.
If I have to take admission in your college,
so
how much amount I have to pay at the time of admission?
At the time or hardly we are taking 200 or 300 rupees for 1 year maximum. And
not hardly 200-300. Tell you exactly how much you are charging at the time of admission. Generally, it may be varied from
faculty
like that. So you should.
There are different components. A sports fee, library fee, building fee, and tuition. Only tuition fee is reported to the government, and rest amount is your internal source. So I want to know the total amount of funds generated from those sources in the name of building fund or library fund.
No, we are not taking that type of amount from students. Building fund or not, we are not taking. All expenditure on infrastructure management or management is doing.
You ask your office people to show the
audit statements.
Year-wise, how much tuition fee reimbursement received from the government.
Correct. That is ready. All scholarship books and tuition fee books are ready. Audit statements and calculation books are ready. Next, students benefited by the scholarship during the last 5 years. These are the chart shown here. got different types of scholarship, like the Government of India, then species, minority scholarship, PPC. Next. Students benefited by the guidance of competitive examination and career counseling. This is the participants of the students in that program. Next. Transparent mechanism as stated earlier, redressal of student grievances. There is no grievance as reported till date. Next.
You are not providing the transport to your students?
No, we are not providing any transport. The transparent mechanism of timely redressal of student grievances regarding
transparent.
Sir, we are having anti-sexual harassment cell, anti-ragging cell. All cells are here.
Here, but no complaints.
No complaints. Because all students are familiar to us and neighborhood communities. Next. Percentage of students progression to higher education, number of students who have gone to PG level courses. This is figure showing here. It's in 2017-18, 43 students get into PG level courses.
PG level courses of your institution?
Yes, sir.
Or some other institution?
Our not our, all over. Last year batch.
How do you keep the records? Because one
in alumni we are contacting them continuously, and when student pass out, we told tell something to come and sir, we search them. Presence of maybe figure is more than this.
But then we
got proof of that students. Only figure is put here. Representation of students on the various bodies, student council, CDC, student council, all the bodies we are having the student participation. Next, sports and cultural activities. These photographs are showing where sports cultural organized per year programs as mentioned in SSR. 24 programs organized in 2017-18. Next, facilities available as I told you earlier. The playgrounds are here. These are the few pictures. Then next. Achievements of our teams, runner-up team at inter-collegiate kabaddi tournaments on Sant Gadgegao Amravati University 2014-15. Then again runner-up team at volleyball. This is kabaddi team, this is volleyball team in 2015-16. Next, and this is a Yatma district level inter-collegiate tournament secondary last year. Next, this is the achievements. These are the color holders 2015-16 onwards. Next, you color holders. Next. Alumni Association. Alumni Association consists of all as per the rules, president, vice president, secretary, etc. Then these are the few alumni contributions given by the students.
Is your alumni registered?
No, our alumni we are trying to get it is compulsory.
Now we are in the second cycle of accreditation.
Correct, sir.
So your association is not.
We are trying from Charity Commissioner office, but it is very difficult because of the per year we have to make audit and no funds, because this area is already rural tribal area. Students are cannot give the effort money, and we have to compulsory do the audit.
Registration of alumni association, that is not necessary.
We are trying getting other their help
the
from
society is acting just by providing the panel of the members and other formalities. It is right.
Okay, next. Vision and leadership as decentralization of the participant management. Okay, next. This is our organogram. Next. Implementing e-governance. We are in all factors. Planning and development, administration, finance and accounting, like in institutional website, participate in AISHE, NIRF, BCF, then scholarships are online pages generating, then online admissions, then online question paper delivery and mark submission from university, parent university. And CDC and IQAC has effective
AISHE data have been
uploaded every year. We are uploading. Without AISHE uploading, we are not getting salary. So it is compulsory for us to upload the AISHE data. Then CDC and IQAC is effective role in this all these things. Next. Faculty empowerment, welfare measures. What type of welfare measures were as per the, we are giving the all news, LIC, GLIC, GBP, DCPS as per new law. We are having the all facilities, loan facilities from our Dr. Y.N. Donde Korao Credit Cooperative Society, library, internet, ICT facilities we are giving to all students and staff. Next. This is average percent of teacher providing financial. That time we were asked questions that teachers are getting TAD or not. This is the graph showing that provide financial support in last 5 years for conferences and seminar. The number of teachers benefited by the financial support in red mark. and he attended, other than this, simply attended for professional development program and orientation courses and refresher courses in violet color. Next. Performance PA appraisal forms assessed by IQAC and principal. We are getting the students' feedback. Principal, vice principal examine the performance of the non-teaching staff. Then financial management resource mobilization, as question was there. Annual budget is prepared as per requirement. Accounts are maintained properly and motivated audit committee. All collections are deposited in the bank and checked by the college audit committee and then audit CA of government authorized.
Audit of CA.
Correct. Finally, we are going to the
External audit. But
first of all, we are having a audit committee, college level committee.
An AG audit.
AG audit is also visiting that. Not last time they have come in 2009-10.
Year-wise certificate is essential from your AG audit.
AG is coming after 5 years or within 10 years.
I believe government is directly paying the same.
They will give us later that AG committee is coming within 2 days. They will come check over all AG queries are there.
There you mentioned that the performance appraisal for teaching and non-teaching.
Sir,
What type of appraisal system you are adopting? What is the mode of appraisal system?
mode of appraisal system, the university has given a format for appraisal system. We are following that one, and for non-teaching we have prepared in Marathi language, that is for our local.
All these documents.
All documents are available with filings. Then next, internal coordination system, as Professor Zawad is IQAC coordinator. He also show you the in IQAC PPT. Use of ICT, all things we are doing. Next, incremental improvements regarding, I would like to tell you that we have one workshop in problems and agriculture marketing. This remedy is there. Rashtravodisati Yuva Gramin. This one, that time you have asked that question. 2016-17 UGC grant has given to our national level conference on in Marathi, that is Gramin Sahityache Marathi Bangmyath Yogdan, rural literature. Then the state level seminar by IQAC facing to NAC. And in 17-18 we have 9 certificate courses started and stated earlier. 5 departmental organization conferences were taken. 1 day workshop was taken for non-teaching staff. Institutional values and social responsibilities, all are these programs. Women health awareness workshop, then save girl child, educate girl child, women grievances informant workshop, and to maintain the dignity of girl student, Savitribai Phule anniversary. In regarding 7th criteria, we are having safety and security of girl students, CCTV surveillance, police rising day each year. Then commando force we are having in college.
Police rising day.
On a fixed date is there that police department comes to us. No, not patrol. They perform their program in front of us to students, anti-sexual harassment or security of girl students and anti-raggings and all these things. They cyber crime also. They motivate to students from away, keep away themselves from this one. They shows us that their rifles and all these things, and we giving the information to students. That is police rising. Every year they are coming. Local police station.
Once in a year only.
Once in a year. Then we are having the commando force. Professor Raut Sports has constituted it. That helps in discipline of our college. We are going to counseling in regarding counseling, women grievance redressal, psychological counseling, women's self-harm and ladies counseling. We are having this facility here. Next, environmental consciousness. We are using 73.79% to LED and this type of bulbs and tube lights we are using. As seen in we are seen in seminar hall, all the LED converted. We are converted in LED. Then waste management steps. We are in solid waste management. The dustbins are kept everywhere. If you go to premises, you will see. Then liquid waste management, the waste chemical dispose of 3 by 3 feet at chemistry laboratory. Then e-waste management, amended computers and condemned batteries we are disposed, we are giving to agency from where we have purchased, and they are taking away from to sending for recycling. Sir?
Have you gone through any agreement with those agencies?
No. No.
And for solid waste management, we just collecting in dustbin.
Yeah. Collecting it. Then we have done a chamber there for compost fertilizer. And we are making the next. I will show you that. Right?
Somewhere you mentioned that we have the botanical garden.
Yeah. We are having the botanical garden. That will come in next slide. Somewhere it is
You are
coming.
very poor in greenery.
Sir.
No, it's
One major thing, that is no water. There is a very much problem for the water. The first one, water drought area. This is water drought area. Then another one from
You have your own area, so the natural sources.
and soil.
Yeah.
You have a chemistry department.
But what depth?
वहाँ से जो लिक्विड जनरेट हो रहा है या जो उसको रिड्यूस करने की प्रोसेस आती है जिसको हम गार्डन को डेवलप करने के लिए कर सकते हैं।